If you think about the people that are going to be at a Shingo conference, the people that are speaking at a Shingo conference, number one, unlike a lot of other conferences that are out there, the people who are speaking are really accessible throughout the whole conference. Shingo does a great job of setting up spaces and time and places for you to connect with those individuals and ask further questions. Not a lot of conferences do that. So I think number one for me is the networking. If you think about the people who are in attendance at the conference, they are the people that are writing the books. When you want to learn about something and you go and you read the book, there are always questions that come up. I wish I could ask them this. I wish I could ask them that. Guess what? They're here. So you can come. They're accessible. There's time set up for it, and you can ask those questions of those authors and get to that next level of understanding. So that's number one for me is networking. I think number two is we're not in a static field, right? Operational excellence, as it is, even though it's been around since the 50s, essentially, probably longer if you think about some of the inputs that were used in the 50s, it continues to change and morph and learn. And so I want to be on the cutting edge of that, right? I want to understand, the conversations that people are having to move, operational excellence to the next phase, to the next plateau. I want to be in on those conversations. I want to understand, how people are thinking about that and where we're moving to. And I get that at the Shingo conference. And so those are the reasons I come.